Welcome back to 2022, guys. Oh, I still have my Christmas nails. So yeah, them kind of want to do. Anyways, so I just wanted to say this. Like, I came up with this caption whenever they use it, but I'm Mrs. Claus because, well, all right. I started to think about what I wanted to do, right? What I want to achieve for the year, all of these things, you know, the typical resolutions. And I said to myself, you know what? I really do that per se. I am thinking on the next thing. I'm thinking no more procrastination. But know what I want to do already. You know what you did? You didn't want to do it from in December. You didn't want to do it from before that. It is not a case that you need to come up with all these brand new things. You been have the list. You probably have the same resolutions that they have last year, the year before, and the year before. This year name cut it. Cut the procrastination. Cut everything. Cut it out of your life. Cut the procrastination. Cut the shit. Cut that. As them used to say. Remember that meme? Cut that. Listen, cut it. I need to cut it. We are going to make ourselves accountable and respect ourselves. Respect what we say we're gonna set out to achieve and actually do it. Right? So when your boss call you and say, yo, you need to come in 8 o'clock Monday morning, and you know say you're not start 9 o'clock, but you reach because you need a job, you need the money, you need whatever. You reach, don't it? If you're working on a restaurant and then say, oh, the garbage need to go out, you take it out, right? If them call you on one Saturday and say, oh, so sorry, blah, 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 you go do the extra overtime because you want the extra money. So all of these things that you're putting off for yourself, what is happening? Why? When Friday you say you're gonna start a YouTube channel, for instance, wait there, what the YouTube channel there? What are the plans? What's the name? What are all of the things that you plan to do? Why you not do it? You say from last year you do it, it don't happen. You say you're gonna start a workout routine and you're gonna lose 20 pounds, you're gonna lose 30, 50, whatever you want to do. Wait there. Even if you did just walk every day, would that make a difference? You jog, you dance, anything, something you want to do. Something you do for fun that would actually help you. Why you never do it? You give up time for other people. You take out stress on yourself. You take up time and you go watch Netflix. You go sit down, chat with your friend them. You go one bar, you go drink. You do all of these things. You take $1,000,001 overtime and you're not achieving what you want. You're not being able to have the life experiences that you set out, that you say you want for yourself. Why is it that we are so willing to do everything for somebody else, but we don't do it for ourselves? Well, this year that stopped. As we said, we'll cut the procrastination. So, make your list. Check it twice. A joke. Make your list, and you're gonna write it in order of what you know you can do first. And my favorite app, we're not sponsored or nothing, but Google Keeps, guys. And I understand, okay, someone have Apple, whatever, but even then, if you use Google Keeps, you can keep track of everything. You have the app, you can sync with your laptop, you can do everything. You just go back and you write down whatever. You can have your check boxes, your schedule, you can have notification, anything you want to do, you can use it for. I love it. Love. And you can always check off the thing them and go back. They say, what is it you achieve? Love see that. Me love see all of the things that check out. So me know say I am actually doing the work to get the things off my list. So this year, ladies and gentlemen, babies across the world, actually I find out some most come from America. right? Most of my audience is from America. So hi guys. Some of you guys are from India. Hi. Some of you are from Pakistan. Some are from England. Yeah. Hi. And of course my yard is anywhere in the world where you're there. Pick up yourself. Thank you for watching. This year we are going to be doing much more videos. So you're gonna see me more often. You're gonna hear this voice. You're gonna see me with people. We're gonna be doing more collabs. We're gonna be doing videos. We're gonna be checking in, guys. We're gonna be doing activities so that you know what to do, where to go, how much it costs, and how fun it is. If I recommend it, if I don't, if you can share your own experience there. We're gonna be talking to more creatives on Creative Insight. And I have some people lined up for you this year. And of course, Lifted season 2 is coming back. Ready. We're ready, guys. So all of these things are happening this year. This is only YouTube. I have personal goals for myself. I want to do a business plan. I want to travel. I want to do all the things. Of course, you're gonna be where? You're gonna be there. You're gonna be there with me, guys. Don't worry. Not leaving out. I'm just saying, respect yourself, respect your time, respect what you want to achieve. Do more for you. You say you want to do something, you want to achieve something, put in the little steps. You know, even if you jump in one thing per day, one thing per week towards it, is quicker than you would think you'd do it and done. Everything sort out. Just make those small steps. One step at a time. One step at a time. One day at a time. Right? So I cut the procrastination, as we say. And this year, as we always do it, it's gonna be our year. Because we're gonna make it our year. We're not depend upon nobody else for doing nothing. We're gonna do it ourselves. We're gonna do it whether we have the support or not. Let's go. So you do what you need to do and I will do what I need to do. And I'll be here. Make sure you turn on post notifications. Make sure you subscribe so that you can always hear from me. You always see my videos. I'm gonna try my best to do one video per week. On weeks that I have more time, I'm gonna be doing 2. I don't know how much that's gonna be. Girl, I have things to do, right? But for all my babies, baby boy, baby girl, we're doing this year. We are doing this year. All right, so expect that. Expect a lot more new things, some more challenges. We're gonna come up with new concept, new fun things to do, and of course more creatives. If you want to come on the channel, if you want to showcase your company, your practice, if you have the art, you sing, you DJ, anything you want to come on the show, send me an email. I'll have all of those things in my description. And if you want to collab with me, reach out to me as well. Everybody knows my social media. It's Enquiries. Let's go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here with me, guys. We had a great year 2021. Let us make this greater. And guys, my chest eye this year. My chest eye. My nose said we're only the pound 1,108, but with my chest eye, I said we're gonna get to the 10,000 this year. 10, right? 10 this year. 10 grand. Yeah. You know, say in Jamaica, you go on road one time, you're 10 grand done. You know that's hard for do. But I have 3 million people there. Let's go. See you in the next video.
Sexy girl full of curves. Hand up your body in a girl. Only for hot girl in the place. Them want to wind them ways.